Bonjour ma chère, aujourd'hui nous allons préparer un délicieux sandwich en français. Okay, no, it's been too many years since I've practiced French, so no, we won't do that. Today we're making a delicious French sandwich. We're making the Croque Madame. You could compare it to a Monte Cristo sandwich. It has cheese and ham, but instead of being deep fried, it's baked and it has a fried egg on top, and it also has delicious bechamel sauce. So for this, we're first going to make that bechamel sauce. A quarter cup of unsalted butter, and we're going to melt that in a saucepan. As the butter melts, we're going to add a third of a cup of plain flour, and then start stirring briskly to mix in that flour with the butter. You don't want any lumps. Keep stirring till you get quite a smooth paste. Do this on a medium heat and keep going until it starts to change color. It should start to get a little darker, and that is your roux. So here you can see the color has become a little bit darker. That's just about right. At this stage, we're going to add 2 cups of hot milk. Don't add it all together. Add a little bit at a time, and using a whisk, we're going to beat this so that we can get rid of all those little lumps to get a smooth mixture. Just add a little bit of the milk at a time, beating continuously with the whisk. This will take up to a minute. So now you can see you have a nice, silky smooth, thickened sauce. At this stage, we can add a little bit of seasoning, 1/8 of a teaspoon each of salt and pepper, or to taste, and 1/8 of a teaspoon or up to a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Do this according to your taste. Keep stirring till the sauce thickens up a little bit more. And then at this stage, we can add in the egg. We're adding 1 egg yolk as well as 1 whole egg. Continue to whisk the sauce until the egg is mixed in very quickly, and you end up with a silky smooth sauce once again. Now as the sauce simmers, we're going to add 1/2 cup of grated mozzarella and stir this in till the cheese melts. And once that cheese is thoroughly melted in, our delicious bechamel sauce is ready. So we're going to set this aside. Give it a taste. It really is delicious. Now we're going to use a baking pan, and I'm adding a little bit of melted butter. Just rub it on the bottom of the pan and add 4 large slices of soft white bread. Milk bread is good. And we're going to add a layer of the bechamel sauce. Add about 1/2 of the bechamel sauce that we prepared. Spread it evenly, and then over this we're going to add some grated Gruyere cheese. This tastes delicious. So we're going to add most of the cheese. We have about 200 grams here on the first layer. Keep a bit for the end. Over the cheese we're going to lay some picnic ham or whatever you like. I'm using chicken ham. You can use 1 or 2 slices per bread, depending on how hungry you are. Top with another layer of bread slices, just a little bit of melted butter, and then more bechamel sauce over the top. Finally, we're going to top it with another layer of cheese. Now this goes into a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius, and we're going to bake it for about 10 minutes until the cheese melts and turns slightly golden on top. As this is baking, we can fry up the eggs. We need 4 eggs for 4 servings. Fry the eggs on a very low heat to get nice sunny side up eggs. You can see the cheese on top is nice and golden. That's just how we like. And Gruyere is a slow melting cheese, so it won't get too dark. You don't have to worry about that. Now all you have to do is divide the portions and top each individual serving with a fried egg. So when you haven't added the egg, this is actually called a Croque Monsieur, which is equally delicious. But adding the egg, this makes it a Croque Madame, which is even extra special. Cutting through that runny egg over this delicious sandwich, that's something else. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video recipe for the Croque Madame. Give it a try. It's super yummy and the kids will really love it. I hope you try the recipe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.